Hello, welcome to another Career Insight with Toy. Today, we'll look into how to start your career as a cloud computing professional. Yes, so let's look at it. Why exactly would you want to pursue a career in cloud computing? We understand today that most organizations are migrating to the cloud services. Over 50,000 companies in the US are currently using the cloud computing service. And all over the world, we have over 150,000 worldwide companies using the cloud computing services. So whether you are a novice or you don't have any skills in IT, trust me, picking a career path in cloud computing would take you from the very beginning to you becoming an expert. So what I mean is from novice, from no career, from no knowledge in IT, trust me, with my guidance and with the step by step approach, you will soon be on your way to becoming a cloud computing expert. So, but why do you really want to consider being a cloud computing expert? Yes, worldwide, the cloud computing profession, it's highly on demand. So if you're the type that is actually considering relocating to the US or relocating to Canada or the likes, you may want to look into cloud computing platforms such as the AWS, Microsoft Azure. Now we have several cloud computing platforms. We have the AWS, Amazon AWS. We also have the Microsoft Azure. We also have Google Cloud, and we have several others. But I would like to touch on the AWS Cloud Computing Services, why we then migrate to other ones in subsequent sessions. So now let's look into the AWS, the Amazon AWS services. What is cloud services, or what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand cloud IT services over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. So when you talk about cloud services, that simply says that can be likened to an organization who actually has the servers already on premise and decided to migrate their data and a few other information to the cloud. So they don't need the high servers, they don't need to virtualize, they don't need to have physical devices. Now a lot of their services can be gotten or transacted or has been migrated to the cloud. Okay, now let's look into the AWS certification part for cloud computing. And a lot of people ask, why is AWS a valuable certification as of today? Now, I'm going to break it down a step at a time. How valuable is IT to get on an AWS certification? Organizations need individuals with cloud computing skills to help transform their businesses. AWS training and certification helps you build and validate your cloud computing skills so you can get more out of the cloud. There's a shortage of certified AWS architects available today. So as IT organizations often compete to hire IT professionals with these skills and more AWS certifications, according to Forbes, AWS certification is one of the top paying certifications worldwide. Achieving the AWS certification provide a common vocabulary for AWS experts to brainstorm and have meaningful technical decisions. Candidates can apply for cloud computing positions, get an opportunity to demonstrate and showcase their skills to recruiters, giving them an edge over other candidates. AWS, Amazon Web Services constitute the training courses that have been structured to train the participants on Amazon Web Services and their associated features and functions. Students will learn about the AWS services and products along with the common solutions. Students having understanding of operating systems and networking can enroll for the course. So who should do AWS? You can become a system administrator. As a solution architect, you may also want to look into pursuing the AWS certification path. And as a software developer, you can also pursue the AWS certification path. So while we could dive into a few parts now, we have the AWS role-based certification path, which covers the foundation, which is the cloud computing practitioner as a cloud practitioner as an architect, a developer, and operations. AWS certified solutions architect, that is under the professional certification, and you also have the AWS certified DevOps engineer, which is also under the professional certification. So I will stop here for now. We may look at the diagram that I have here, which has the AWS certified foundation. So if you're looking as to starting your career in AWS, I would simply advise you start as a cloud practitioner. So for more information on this, you can actually contact us. You have the AWS certified associate, which is the solutions architect, the developer, and the system ops. So you can look at the step-by-step approach to it. Now, with the little I have been able to say, you may want to look into getting the AWS certification, because it is one of the hottest certification. If you need more information on the AWS certification, please feel free to contact me. My details are listed below. Any information on cloud computing, I will be so glad to put you through the whole step. And do not forget, we have several other platforms that are available in cloud computing. We have the Microsoft Azure, we have the Google Cloud professional certifications also. So you may also want to consider all others. But one of the hottest certifications as of today is AWS. Thank you. I remain your humble Toyin, and I hope to have you all back for another session where we'll be looking at the Microsoft Azure and the other cloud computing platform. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.